Monitor and analyze performance is all about taking the results from Google Search Console and Google Analytics a little bit more seriously and a little bit more in depth as well. You got a website with 10 pages, 2 of them have a pretty good hit rate. The bounce rate's not too bad, it might be 20% or so. By the way, you're never going to get a perfect bounce rate, okay? The bounce rate's not too bad. The other 8 pages are getting not so many hits. Now, is that because the keywords are quite flat? Have you done some keyword analysis? Are people even searching for those keywords? So do you need to modify it? Do you need to boost the content? The meta title, maybe if you put in a power word or a number or make it more relevant to what people are looking for, that might help you. Is it that you have a chain of pages? And remember the 3-click rule, keep it simple. But maybe the first page gets a good hit rate. The second page, which is a mid page before you get to the third page where that's the product you want them to buy now, the second page, there's a massive drop off. So they get there and they go, what was it about that page? Was it not clear? Was it too lengthy? Was there too much animation? Is it slow to load? Maybe jump from the first page to the third one. What is the point of the second page? Did it even need to be there? Can you get some of that content and blend it into the third page? So look at the behavior of your website. Look at your analytics. That's the whole point. Why? I mean, you don't just activate Google Analytics or any other analytics tool just because you want it to tick a box. No, it's there for you to understand the user behavior of your website, and you will identify opportunities to improve your SEO and user experience.